Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set adapt sound, prefer ear focals to the left or right on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on sounds and vibration. Next, go down and tap on sound quality and effects. And then go down and tap on adapt sound. In here, select one of the age preset to use. So for example, under 30 years old or between 30 and 60 years old. Tap on the settings icon. And in here, tap on prefer ear focals. From the pop-up, you could choose left or right. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings. Tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.